Sensibility and practicality define the 2004 Chevrolet TrailBlazer. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, a tachometer, fully automatic headlights, a trailer hitch, rear wipers, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.